So, apparently, me being my normal, polite, charming self isn't enough for you people. No, you want drama. You want spice. You want me to act like I woke up and chose violence. Well, guess what? Today, I am your villain. Because clearly, sharing life-changing health tips, deep wellness truths, and actually caring about your well-being is boring. You want sass? Fine. Let's start with this. Drinking a gallon of water a day won't flush out your toxins. You know what will? Stop putting them in your body. Oh, too real? My bad. Green juice is not a personality. I don't care how many spirulina sprinkles you put in it. And no, Karen, it won't make your soul glow unless you're standing under a ring light. Everyone says, Ada, you're so calm. You must meditate every day. Ha! I meditate just enough to keep from drop-kicking strangers in Target. That's the real self-care. You want me to be more entertaining? Fine. Here's the truth. You don't need another diet, detox, or magical weight loss tea. You need to sleep, stop scrolling at 2 a.m., and drink some dang water. And yes, I said dang because I'm still trying to be nice. Barely. All right. I've given you sass, sarcasm, and unsolicited wisdom. Now go live your life. And don't make me come back here angry again. Because next time, I'm bringing charts.